friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nima and you're watching MS Creation. So in today's video I'm going to share a recipe of kada. As you all know that coronavirus is spreaded a lot, so therefore I'm going to spread a recipe of kada which is very healthy as well as very tasty for drinking. And with the problems of kid, we are going to not face the problem of kid, because I know every kid says no to kada. So in this term they are not going to say no. So let's get started with our video and let's see what are the ingredients required. So here I am having ginger, cinnamon stick, tulsi leaves or basil leaves, black cardamom, cloves and black pepper, and then bay leaves, turmeric, black salt also known as pink salt, and lemon. So let's see what are the nutrition and properties packed in these spices. So first of all we are having here our ginger. Ginger is packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and same do cardamom and black cardamom contain. And next up we are having here turmeric. Turmeric is helps in curing a lots of diseases, especially heart disease and diabetes. So if you are a diabetes or heart disease problem patient, you must intake turmeric in your daily diet. Then black pepper. Black pepper is loaded with a lot of nutrient and is an excellent source of vitamin A. Bay leaf is a good source of vitamin A and vitamin B and helps in building our immune system. So during this rest period you must intake bay leaves in your daily diet, because it helps in building your immune system. So then we have here cloves. Cloves are rich in antioxidants and provitamins and is an important nutrient for keeping your eyes healthy. So if you are having problem with your eyes or not, also you must intake cloves in your daily diet, because it helps in keeping your eye healthy. Then we are having here, last but not least, tulsi leaves. Tulsi leaves is very nice, also known as basil leaves. It is packed with a lot of nutrients, as everybody know it, and it has all the properties which helps in building your immune system. Then we have black pepper. It's just for flavor, you can skip it as well. And the lemon has vitamin C, which helps in fighting against killing or fighting foreign antibodies, and same do all of these spices also contain. So let's get started with our recipe. And this was like all the nutrients and or these things which contain in these spices. So let's get started with our recipe. So this recipe, I'm making this recipe for 4 people in total. You can decrease or increase your amount of these spices according to the people you're making for. So first of all I'm going to add half black cardamom with its peel, and then 7 to 6 cardamoms. We would be adding bay leaves in the end, and then this cinnamon stick. So I'm adding this much of cinnamon stick, half one this much of black pepper. Oops, sorry. 8 to 9 cloves, and then we are going to crush it. So crush it as fine as you can. So once you have crushed it, add your haldi powder, tulsi leaves, and then your garlic, and then again crush it. So once you have crushed it, it would look something like this, very powdery and hard to crush. So now in this we are going to mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. I have added 2 tablespoons of water, and I'm going to mix it and see if it is more is required. You have to mix water and then again crush it. So now I have crushed it and it's looking something like this. Not a lot watery and not a lot powdery as well. So I'm going to mix a little bit more of water in it, just to make it a little more flowy. Give it a nice mix and do like this. So now once you have mixed it, we are going to take our water and boil it. So in this sponge or in a pan, I have added total 7 cups of water, and this goes my 8th cup of water. And as I told you, I'm making this for 4 persons, so therefore I have added completely 8 cups of water, because we are going to reduce it completely to its half. So now we are going to add our crushed paste in it, give it a nice mix, and then we are going to boil it. At this point you can add your black pepper, black salt, or at the end you can add. It's completely upon you. So now let's boil it. So before boiling I have added my bay leaves. Just you have to break it and add. Here goes my bay leaves. And then let's boil it. We have to place our kada on high flame and we have to cover its lid for like 1 minute or 2 minutes until our kada boils. And once it has boiled, you will see the color has changed, and you can see completely the color has completely changed from light to dark shade. So once it has boiled, it has boiled 2-3 times, not one time. I have been delayed in showing you. So once it is boiled, we are going to move the flame to medium low flame and boil it for like 40 to 45 minutes until our kada reduces to half. And we have to always cook your kada by covering its lid. So you can see our kada is ready, and I have served it in these cups. So it's very healthy but not tasty right now, but I'm going to make it tasty by adding something which is going to make it tasty. So you can skip it if you don't want to add, and I will be recommending you that not to add it. But if your kids says no to kada, then you can add these things to make it tastier and make them to drink it. So let's see what I'm adding in it to make it tasty. So first of all, here I am having honey. You can use jaggery, sugar, anything as per your preference or as per your taste. So you can. I didn't add sugar because since I told you I'm making kada, because so therefore I can't add unhealthy things. But I can add jaggery or honey. So if you want to add jaggery, then you must add it while you are cooking it, you can add according to your taste. So now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey in my kada, and then lemon. So lemon tastes very good, and lemon is, as I told you, healthy as well. It has vitamin C in it, and vitamin C helps in killing foreign antibodies. So it would help in killing germs. So add 3 to 4 add 1 to half tablespoon of add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 to half tablespoon of lemon according to your preference. And then I'm going to garnish it with a tulsi leaf. So the same way I have prepared my second batch, and that also contain the same thing. I have added in my these thing. So our delicious kada is ready, which I know it took a bit extra to cook, but it is super healthy and it would help you to fight against this coronavirus. So I hope you liked this video. If you do, then don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button to get notified whenever I will be posting my future video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.